Assalamualaikum. Hello everyone. My name is Artika Dwi Mailasani. I study at SMK Negeri 12 Surabaya. I'm from class 10 Textile 1. This is a little story about Little Finger. Let's get to the video.
Huh?
Fucking Robitussin. I don't know why this shit got me.
The Little Finger, folklore from Bangka Belitung. In ancient times, there lived a poor husband and wife who lived in the remote village of Belitung, Islam. Even though they live in poverty, they are very harmonious and happy. Even though they don't have children, they don't give up, and almost every time they pray to God. Until finally their prayers were answered, the wife became pregnant and gave birth to a child. But how surprised they were when they saw the baby was only the size of a little finger and gave him the name Little Finger. At first, they found it difficult to accept the situation, even though his body is very small. Little one is very greedy in eating food. Their passion seemed to run out in the face of this, so they decided to throw away their own child. Until one day, the father took the little finger to the forest to look for wood, and arriving in the middle of the forest, he cut down a large tree, which was right above his son's head. Finally, the big tree fell on the poor little finger, after making sure his son had it. The father immediately returned to his house. Hearing her husband's story, the wife was very happy, but one thing they forget, that the act of killing one's own child is a grave sin. However, they were very surprised when they saw Little Finger returning home and was carrying a large tree on his shoulder. After putting down the big wood, he immediately looked for food and ate it with gusto. Meanwhile, his parents just sat in awe watching the incident and didn't know what to do. Even though he had tried several times to harm her, Little Finger kept coming back, and finally they are at their wits' end to get rid of their own children of their life. But when they saw Little Finger eating heartily, and as if he didn't realize his parents' evil intentions, it finally made them realize. The existence of the Little Finger turned out to be very useful for them. With his great strength, he is able to do hard work to help his parents. Eventually, their life got better, and Little Finger was able to become an additional source of income from his family.